I'm going to give you a tutorial of my new choreo. It's called That's Amore. It's a wonderful song by with the title of the song, That's Amore as well. Okay, this is a beginner level like this. There are 32 count, 4 walls, 2 walls, okay, no tag, no start. Okay, choreographed by me, Herman Baso, Indonesia, October 2021. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Okay, this is my right foot. Section 1. Charleston step, touch, step back, touch. And then touch forward, twist to right and back. And then step back with left foot on toes and then twist to left and back. Okay? Now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Walk back, walk, and then coaster step, and then half pivot, recover, and then quarter pivot to left, and recover. Okay, with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's repeat section 1 and section 2 with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then section 3, lock shuffle forward. And then half pivot to right. And then half turn to right. And then lock shuffle backward. Okay? With the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, and then step back, recover. 7, 8. Okay, let's repeat section 1, section 2, and section 3 with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, hold on. Let's repeat section 1, section 2, and section 3 with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, section 4, kick both and tap twice, kick both and tap, and then just walk to right. Okay? With the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's repeat the whole part. Section 1 until section 4 with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe. to do a demo. Okay? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.